let's celebrate Chinese New Year with good life by cooking this super bongga pampaswerte dish. This is Lion's Head meatballs. Diba? Ito daw, kaya tinawag na Lion's Head meatballs dahil giant meatballs ito that they serve during celebrations, no? And super sarap, super bonggang tingnan. And magugulat ka dahil kahit pang celebration itong dish na to, hindi masakit sa bulsa. Let's start by preparing the meatballs. I have here 1 kilo of pork giniling. Ilalagay ko lang dito sa aking mixing bowl. And then into this, ilagay natin ang ating mga pampasarap. So first, yung aking mga seasoning, I have here chicken powder, which is pwede mo ding hindi lagyan if you want. Salt. This is all-purpose flour. Brown sugar. Finely chopped ginger. Pwede mo din gamitan ng grated ginger. Pangtanggal yan ng lansa ng meat. And minced garlic. Rice wine. And I'm also putting Good Life oyster sauce. We put around 3 to 4 tablespoons of Good Life oyster sauce. 2 eggs. And this is half a cup of chopped leeks. You can also use spring onions kung wala kang makitang leeks. And for added texture, we are putting water chestnuts. Nako, medyo mahirap hanapin to. In-order ko pa online. In some grocery stores, meron, sa iba wala. You can also use singkamas. So let's put half a cup of Good Life breadcrumbs to lock in the goodness and juiciness of your dishes. Yan. Half a cup. That's it. And then, just massage it. As I mix this, nagpapainit na ako ng mantika. So, ipiprito mo muna tong meatballs na to. Shallow frying lang tayo. Parang deep frying din, pero hindi masyadong lubog na lubog. Para hindi din aksaya sa mantika. Pero kung meron ka na dyang mantikang naka-ready, push lang. Okay? You want to make sure na this is well mixed. And kung medyo nagdududa ka sa aking panlasa, na parang feeling mo, parang mukhang maalat o parang kulang sa alat. Kumuha ka ng maliit na piraso nito, iprito mo, o kaya i-microwave mo, tikman mo. And then, i-adjust mo kung saan ka masaya. Kung saan masaya ang iyong panlasa. Push! Smells good. Okay. So next, meron ako ditong, tatanggalin ko na po yung gloves ko, ha? Kaya ako nag-gloves para hindi sumiksik sa aking mga kuko, yung karne. Although, ang ikli po ng kuko ko, diba? I love it. And I have here a large ice cream scooper. Itong mangkukong ito, lalagyan ko ng tubig. Para lang ilulubog-lubog ko yung daliri ko, yung kamay ko, para hindi manikit yung karne pag binobola ko na. So, I have here a large ice cream scooper. And then, iro-roll ko lang yan, bobula-bulahin mo lang. Diba? Dapat karne lang ang binobola-bola natin. Okay. Talaga pong medyo may kalakihan yan. O, diba? When you put water, hindi siya naninikit. Ito, lalagyan ko lang ng cling wrap. Or, pwede mo din lagyan ng, ayan, plastic labo. Para lang Hindi manikit. Okay? So, 2 ways yan, kaya ito yung pinili ko kasi hindi cling wrap. Just in case, di ba, pwede mong takpang ganyan. Di ba? Yung water chestnut, huwag ka magpaka-stress. Kung wala kang makita, push. Diba? Kasi what's the point of celebrating kung nai-stress ka? So, bula-bulahin natin. And para sa mga kapatid nating hindi po kumakain ng baboy, of course, you can always use beef. You can even use chicken. Okay, let's check kung mainit na yung ating mantika. So when you see na bubbles are starting to come up, pag naglubog ka ng isang chopstick dyan or wooden spoon, the oil is hot enough. So now I can start frying my lion's head meatballs. May sauce pa po ito, ha? And then, hihinaan ko yung apoy. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa medium-low to make sure na hanggang loob ay lutong-luto. Pero syempre, gusto natin na yung labas ay medyo mag-brown para added flavor yon. And then, kung gusto mo siyang bali-balik ta rin, you just push it using your chopstick. Diba? Hindi nagkakalasog-lasog. That is because nilagyan natin ng Good Life breadcrumbs. Parang yung samahan lang natin all year round and through the years. Ano mga pinagsasasabi ko, di ba? Hindi dapat magkakalasog-lasog. Kailangan bonded. Alright? So, it's nice and golden. And when you get your chopstick and medyo tinulak mong ganyan and you can feel na nagba-bounce back na siya, ibig sabihin po niyan, hanggang loob, luto na. So, pwede mo nang hanguin. Pero if gusto mo pang i-brown ng konti yung sa labas, pwede din namang lutuin mo pa for 2 more minutes. But this looks good to me. It's firm enough. Wag mo naman diinan masyado. Kasi baka madurog. So, hanguin natin. And I'm going to fry the second batch. But before I do that, syempre, lilinisin ko muna yung ating mantika. Di ba? Nagulat ako. Makamapilansikan ako. Okay, linisin muna natin. Habang nililinis mo yan, papatayin mo yung apoy. Kasi pagka wala kang pinipirito, the tendency is, umiinit yung oil. So, masyashock naman yung next mong ilalagay. But still, hindi mo naman kailangan talagang maging crystal clear ulit tong mantika. Okay, ayan, I'm going to fry the remaining meatballs. And then next, gagawin na natin yung sauce at titikman natin. Alright, so since luto na yung ating meatballs, over here, I'm just boiling some water. Gagawin na natin yung pinaka-sauce, yung pinaka-broth niya. So I have here around 2 to 3 cups of water. You can always put more kung gusto mong mas masabaw. And then, into that, I'm putting brown sugar. This is just grated ginger. Some sliced mushrooms. I'm using shiitake mushrooms. Pwede ka din gumamit ng canned mushrooms, kung ano man ang available. And I'm putting oyster sauce. Good Life oyster sauce. around 1/4 to half a cup. Let's also put some black pepper. Salt. Nilagay ko na din. Kasi pagbukas ko, akala ko black pepper. Salt pala, parang hindi ako mapahiya. Nilagyan ko na din. And black pepper. Bango. And then, let's put a good, generous splash of Good Life sesame oil. Ito yung magpapa-elevate dito sa ating dish, making it restaurant quality kahit sa bahay mo niluto. At syempre, mabibigyan niya ito ng authentic Asian flavor and aroma. Put a nice splash. Magbubuhos pa ulit ako mamaya. And then this is spring onions. Kalahati muna yung ilalagay ko. Titikman ko siya ngayon. Good. A little bit more of oyster sauce. And then, itong aking bok choy, nakikita mo, meron ako ditong bok choy. What I'm going to do here, para hindi siya ma-overcook, i-blanch ko lang siya dito ng mabilis. Tapos aalisin ko din. Kasi po, ilalagay ko yung meatballs dito Isi-simmer ko siya for around 3 to 5 minutes. Ganun lang kabilis. Okay? Okay na yan. Kasi I like my vegetables crunchy, bright and crunchy. Yung mushrooms, pwede din tanggalin mo dyan. Pero, papakahirap pa ba tayo? Iwanan na natin dyan. And then, balik mo dyan isa-isa ang iyong lion's head meatballs. Pork meatballs. When we developed the recipe, mas konting liquid po yung nilagay namin. Pero kasi, pag may natira, medyo natutuyot po siya, especially kung iinitin mo the following day. So, ayan, medyo dinagdagan ko yung kanyang sabaw. So, bring it to a nice simmer, just around 3 to 5 minutes. And then next, titikman na natin yan. But before that, lalagyan mo pa yan ng konti pang sesame oil. Okay. So, it's been simmering. And lalagyan ko pa ng more oyster sauce. Sayang to. So, aalog-alugan ko. Okay. And then, I have here some slurry. This is just cornstarch with water. Para lang magkaroon ng body yung pinaka-sauce. Okay, and then let's taste it again. Ang sarap. Lagay ko na lahat yung aking slurry. And then next, I'm ready to plate this. Lagyan ko pa ng konti, papatayin ko na yung apoy, konti pang sesame oil. Okay, and then pagka nasa bandehado na natin mamaya yan, i-drizzle mo pa para talagang sobrang bango ng iyong lion's head meatballs. Pinatay ko na po yung apoy, I'm going to plate this. Ayan na. So, pinipila ko lang yung bok choy sa gilid para very festive. You can also use napa cabbage. Kung wala kang makitang bok choy. Kung ano ang meron, yun ang gamitin mo. And then, ipipila ko na tong yung sauce niyan, pwede mo pang palaputin. Kung gusto mo. Diba? Ang bongga. Yung pag hinanda mo to, akala ng mga bisita mo ay buong araw mong niluto. Ay, ayan tuloy. Yung araw kong niluto sa kitchen. Put more bok choy sa mga sides. And then some sauce. Ang plating po, pinagplaplanuhan din po yan. Katulad nito, parang mukhang maliit tong meatballs kong to. Papalitan ko ng mukhang mas malaki. Okay. Now, buhusan natin ng sauce. Oh, diba? Isn't it bongga? It is. Super bongga. Pabonggahin mo pa. Lagyan mo pa ng mga mushrooms dyan sa side to make it look more festive. And I suggest, when you serve it, let's say buffet or kahit sa table, maglagay ka ng extra sauce dito sa sauce pot. Sa sauce container. Ah, diba? Para kung may mahilig magsabaw sa kanin, merong maiisabaw. And then of course, a little bit more of sesame oil for that added aroma and more spring onions. For that nice fresh color. Ayan na. So ayan na. Ang ating lion's head meatballs. Perfect na perfect for your Chinese New Year celebration. Tikman natin. Okay, now let's try. Ito, pinili ko yung pinakamalaki. Diba? Look how bongga is that. And look at the inside. It's very nice, moist, and juicy. Tsaka hindi nagkakalasog-lasog. At syempre, dahil yan sa Good Life breadcrumbs. Tikman natin. Sarap. Ang linamnam. And so juicy, and I love the texture. May nakakagat-kagat akong malutong. More sauce. O, diba? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Kaya, dagdagan nyo po yung sauce. Kasi nung dinevelop po namin yan, buhos ako ng buhos ng sauce. Ang sarap. Gawin mo to, ha? And don't forget to tag me pag ginawa mo to. Dapat mas bongga pa dito sa presentation ko ang iyong gagawin. O, diba? Happy Chinese New Year and have a prosperous, good life. I'll see you all soon.